Hello everyone, I'm Engineering Kirbai, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we are going to see about biofertilizer. Introduction. In the last century, chemical fertilizers were used in agriculture. Farmers were very happy of getting increased yield in agriculture in the beginning, but slowly chemical fertilizers started displaying their ill effects such as destroying microorganisms and friendly insects, reducing the soil fertility and thus causing irreplaceable damage to all over the system. What is the solution for this? A number of intellectuals throughout the world started working on the alternatives and then found that biofertilizers can help in increasing the yield without causing the damage associated with chemical fertilizers. And what is biofertilizer? A biofertilizer is a substance which contains living microorganisms when applied to seed, plant surface, or soil. Colonize the rhizosphere or the interior of plant and promote growth by increasing the supply or availability of primary nutrients to the host plant, and it add nutrients through the natural process of nitrogen fixation, solubilizing phosphorus, and stimulating plant growth through the synthesis of growth promoting substance. It comprises that contain microbes which helps in promoting the growth of plants and trees by increasing the supply of essential nutrients to the plant. Then biofertilizers are the natural fertilizers that are microbial inoculants of bacteria, algae, and fungi. And it also improves the soil fertility and benefits for some plants for fixing the nitrogen fixation. And these are all the types of biofertilizer. Types of biofertilizer. First, bacterial biofertilizer. Example, azospirillum. Then fungal. Example, mycorrhizae. Then algal biofertilizer. Example, blue-green algae. Aquatic fern. Example is azolla. The earthworm is example, vermicompost. And these are all as a microorganism and their activity and where which crops they are in using. Then first one is azospirillum. They are free living in soil and plant associated diazotrophs, that is, bacteria fixes nitrogen. It is a loose association of nitrogen fixing bacteria. It was first isolated by Beijering in the year 1922 in Brazil from the roots of paspum, and it was named it as Spirillum lipoferum. Then later, scientists Doberiner and Day in the year 1976 reported by nitrogen fixing potential of some grasses due to activity of Spirillum lipoferum in their roots. And these are the different mode of action of azospirillum on plant growth. And this increase in photosynthetic pigment, and it improves seed germination, nitrogen fixation, and it increases permeability of plasma membrane, helps to uptake of nutrients, and it is also resistant to drought stress, water stress. Plant growth hormones, cytokinins, IAA, IBA, and it also reduce pH of the soil, and it the protection of siderophores to sequester iron. Blue green algae. What is blue green algae? Cyanobacteria is also called as blue green algae. It's also used as a biofertilizer for rice crop. It helps to restore soil nutrients and support the nitrogen content of the paddy fields. It is also have a fungal antifungal benefits, and they can control the nitrogen in plants, and it improves the aeration of soil, water holding capacity, and vitamin. All the nitrogen fixing bacteria in combination with the blue green algae is responsible for nitrogen fixation. Example, azolla. This picture shows azolla anabena symbiosis. What are the merits and demerits of biofertilizer? First one is advantage. They are eco-friendly and made of living microorganisms, and it helps in reducing the risk of soil and water pollution. They improve the soil fertility. It is cost effective and it's soluble and easily absorbed by plants, highly needed for the large protection. Then what are all the disadvantages? The naturally occurring microorganisms in soil are harmed by the chemical in fertilizers. It can destroy the soil fertility. It can reduce the organic content and humus content of the soil. They are more expensive, it is toxic and harm humans. It affects the environment and ecosystem. Thank you.